Today we're going to remove a battery from a 2016 Toyota Tundra. Alright, the tools you're going to be needing will be a 10mm wrench for these right here, the terminals, and the 10mm socket to remove the battery bracket. So let's go ahead and get started. We'll go ahead and remove the negative terminal first, and then go ahead and just remove it from there and set it to the side. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the positive side. This battery is completely dead. We have to jump this vehicle in order for it to start. So we got to swap out this battery. I'm not using a memory saver because it is completely dead. Zero life. Alright, now that we have those removed, let's go ahead and undo these from here. And this one back here. Then we'll remove the hooks from the bottom. There it is. Swing this over, set that to the side, and out comes our battery. I'm gonna need both hands, that sucker is heavy. Alright, and there it is, and that is how you remove a battery from a 2016 Toyota Tundra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.